This short guide explains how to buy shares of Origin Bancorp Inc. Origin Bancorp is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OBK, and this clip is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your identity, usually with an ID document, and to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker OBK to find Origin Bancorp Inc. Select the result that matches the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company details and the price chart to confirm you have Origin Bancorp Inc. Make sure the listing shows NASDAQ and ticker OBK before proceeding. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, you can schedule a market order or place a limit order for the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade executes. For the platform link and more details, check the description below.